Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths mentor, and in today's session, let us discuss about functions important question. Which carries 7 marks, right? So they will ask questions in this manner. Method number 1, if given function f is equal to set of 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6 and 6 comma minus 4, and g equal to 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5 and 8 comma 5, and then they will ask you to find f plus g, f minus g, f square, root f. They may ask different type of operations, right? So given function f equal to 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6 and 6 comma minus 4, in this 4, 5, 6 are called domain. 4, 5, 6 are called domain, and 5, 6 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4 are called range, and this is called domain and this is called range. Given function is f, which maps 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to minus 4. Function is from, suppose if you consider as a to b, function f which is from a to b, 4 to 5, 5, 6 and 6 minus 4. Here 4, 5, 6 are called domain and 6 minus 4 are called range. Okay. And coming to second function g, that is 4, 6, 8 is called domain, and minus 4, 5 which is called range. This is the function g, 4 to minus 4, 6 to 5 and 8 to 5, right? So now we need to find out f plus g. So children, when we are finding f plus g, we should not do any manipulations to domain. Whatever the operation which will be applicable for range only. Suppose if you observe here, in both f and g, domain is 4, 5, 6 and in g domain 4, 6, 8. Here when we are adding f and g, first you check out domain. Here 4, here also 4. Then what to do? As it is, you have to put 4. We should add its range, and 5 plus minus 4. 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. Try to understand my point. Here domain will be as it is. Here domain will be as it is. 4 only. What to do? We have to apply addition operation to its range. 5 to minus 4. 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. Now coming to here domain 5 is there, but there is no domain 5 in g. So we can't do anything. Now coming to third one, here domain 6, here also domain 6. If the domains are same, then we need to add its ranges. That is here minus 4 and here plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 which is equal to, 6 as it is, minus 4 plus 5 that is equal to 1. So this is our f plus g. Okay. A second one is f minus g. Suppose they are asking to find out f minus g. F minus g. Here operation is subtraction. Again children, here domain is 4, domain as it is, and we have to subtract 5 minus of minus 4. 5 minus of minus 4 plus 4, that is 4 comma 9, and again here domain 6, here domain 6, they both are equal. Now we have to add its ranges. Subtract minus 4 minus 5, that is equal to minus 9. So this is our f minus g. The next one is 2f plus 4g. Suppose they may ask to find out 2f plus 4g. 2f plus 4g. So what is f here? F is here 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to minus 4. Okay. 2f means 4 comma. First let us find out 2f. So f is 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let domain as it is 4. 2f. I mean 2 into 5. 2 5 are 10. Second domain as it is 5. Now 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 into minus 4. 6 as it is 2 into 4, 8. Children, did you understand? Actually, here they are asking to find out 2f first of all. Let us find 2f. Domain as it is 4, 5, 6. Then 2 should be multiplied to its range. 2 5 are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. Now, let us find out 4g. Let us find out 4g. Again, domain as it is, children. 4 comma 4 into minus 4. 4 4 is 16. Next 6 comma 4 into 5. 4 5 is 20. Next domain as it is 8 comma 4 into 5. 4 5 is 20. Right? Now in between these two we have addition operation. Right? Again domain as it is. Now we are finding 2f plus 4g. Domain as it is 4, 4, let it be. Now we should add 10 to minus 16, which is equal to minus 6. Here there is no domain 5 over here, leave it. Here 6 comma 6, domains are same. Let us add 20 to minus 8, which is equal to 12. Right? So what is therefore 2f plus 4g is 4 comma minus 6 and 6 comma 12. Right? Now coming to, let us find few more operations, which is fg. Let us find fg. Again children, domain as it is 4, 4. Let us multiply its ranges. 5 into minus 4. 5 4 is 20. Next, here also domain same, 6, 6. Minus 4 into 5. 4 5 is 20. This is our f into g. Next one is root f. Root f. So what is f, children? F is 4 comma range is 5. I mean 4 comma root 5. Next 5 comma root 6. 6 comma root minus 4. Root minus 4, which is not defined, which is a complex number, we cannot define. So the answer is 4 comma root 5 and 5 comma root 6. If suppose if you write 6 comma root over minus 4, which is wrong, we can't define, right? So don't write 6 comma root over minus 4. The next one is f square. F square. So children, domain as it is 4, 4 comma 5 square. 5 square value 25. 5 comma 6 square. 6 square value 36. 6 comma minus 4 square, nothing but 16. So f square value is 4 comma 25, 5 comma 36 and 6 comma 16. Okay. Next one is modulo of f. Mod f, which is equal to root over 4 comma modulo of 5 is 5 only. Second one is 5 comma modulo of 6 is 6 only. And the third one is 6 comma, what is modulo of minus 4? If it is minus also, which will become plus only. Okay. So 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6 and 6 comma plus 4, because modulo of minus 4 is plus 4 only. So this type of method sum is very important 7 mark question. So children, here you have to remember one thing, we should not change its domain. Whatever the manipulations we are doing, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, modular or square, whatever it may be, only we have to do it for its range, right? Now coming to one more question. If f and g are real valued function defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1, g of x equal to x square, then find the first question 3f minus 2g into x. How can I write as 3f minus 2g into x? If you listen properly, 3 into f of x minus 2 into g of x, right? 3 into f of x minus 2 into g of x. So 3 into, what is f of x? As it is given, f of x value 2x minus 1 minus 2 into, as it is given, g of x value x square, right? So 3 into 2x, 3 to the 6x, minus 3 into 1, 3, minus 2 into x square, 2x square. So the answer is what? 6x minus 3 minus 2x square. Now coming to second one, that is fg into x. This how can I write as? This I can write as f of x into g of x. I can write as f of x into g of x. As we know that it is given f of x value 2x minus 1 into g of x value x square. 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 1 into x square minus x square, right? That is our second question. Now coming to third question. What is our third question? F plus g plus 2 into x. I can write as f of x plus g of x plus 2x. f of x plus g of x plus 2x. f of x value 2x minus 1, g of x value x square plus 2x. So x square plus 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 1. Okay. Now coming to fourth question, root f by g into x, I can write as root f of x by g of x. Root over f of x by g of x. What is root of f of x? Given f of x value is 2x minus 1, root over 2x minus 1 by g of x value is x square. So children, here root f of x, I can write as root f of x by g of x. As it is given, root f of x is 2x minus 1 and g of x is given x square. Okay, they may ask questions in this way. So this is the method number 1, problems they may ask in public examinations, right? Now coming to second method. Now if you see, f maps R to R and g maps R to R are defined by f of x equal to 2x square plus 3, g of x equal to 3x minus 2. Then find f circle g of x and g circle f of x, f circle f of 0, g circle f of 3. They are asking to find out this type of methods. Okay, f maps R tends to R and g maps also R tends to R. Okay, now let us find out the first one, f circle g of x. F circle g of x. See children, I can write as f of g of x. This is open bracket, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket, right? Now f of, children, it is given in the question, g of x is given 3x minus 2. In place of g of x, let me write 3x minus 2, right? Now it is in the form of f of x. What is given f of x? It is given in the question f of x equal to 2x square plus 3, right? 2x square plus 3. I mean, wherever x is there, in place of x, we have to substitute 3x minus 2 children. Okay? Which is in the form of f of x. F of x value 2 into x square. In the place of x, we have to substitute 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Okay? Now 2 into a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus 3. So 2 into 3x whole square, I mean 9x square, 2 square 4 minus 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12x plus 3. 2 into 9, 2 9 ja 18, 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 into 12, 2 12 ja 24 plus 3. So 18x square minus 24x, 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. Children, I hope you understood, right? Coming to second one, they are asking to find out G circle f of x, right? So first of all, how to open this bracket G? Let us open circle G of f of x. Open bracket, closed bracket. Open bracket, closed bracket. Right? Now G of what is f of x? Given f of x value 2x square plus 3. Now which is in the form of g of x. What is g of x? 3x minus 2. 3 as the children. In the place of x, we have to substitute 2x square plus 3 minus 2. Right? Now 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6x square plus 3 into 3, 3 3 ja 9 minus 2. So 6x square plus 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Right? So answer is 6x square plus 7. Now coming to problem number 3, f circle. They are asking to find out f circle f of 0. Right? F circle f of 0. How can I write this? Listen children carefully. F of 0. Right? F of, which is in the form of f of x. As we know, f of x is 2x square plus 3. I mean 2 into, in place of x, we have to substitute 0. 2 into 0 square plus 3. So f of 2 into 0, 0. Because 0 square value 0 children. 0 into 2, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Now which is in the form of f of x. Again f of x is 2x square plus 3. I mean 2 into x value 3 square plus 3. 2 into 3 square 9 plus 3. 2 9 ja 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3, 21. Now coming to fourth problem, G circle f of 3. Okay, how can I write as this? G of f of 3. See, this is open closed, open closed, open closed, right? Listen now children. G of f of, see this is in the form of f of 3. F of 3, as we found f of 3 value what? 21, right? So I can write as f of 21. So this f of 3 value 21. Now G of f of x formula. I mean 2 into x value 21 whole square plus 3. G of 2 into 21 square 441 plus 3. G of 2 into 441 882 plus 3. I mean g of 885. Now which is in the form of g of x? What is g of x? 3 into x value 885 minus 2. 3 5 is 15. 3 8 is 24 plus 1 25. 3 8 is 24 plus 2 26 minus 2. So which is equal to 2653. Okay. They may ask questions in this manner. They'll ask you to find f circle g of x, g circle f of x, f circle g circle, f circle f of 0, g circle f of 3, and so on. Okay, let us do one more question. Given f of x is equal to 3x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x square plus 2. G of x is equal to x square plus 2. Let us find the first question. Let us find first question. G circle f of x. G circle f of x. G circle f of x. How can I write as g of f of x? So children, g of what is f of x? Given f of x value is 3x minus 1. Now which is in the form of g of x? G of x value is x square plus 2. Wherever x you have, in place of x we have to substitute 3x minus 1. I mean 3x minus 1 whole square plus 2. 3x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Now which is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab 3 square 9 x square 1 square 1 2 3 is 6 6 1 is 6 6x plus 2. So 9x square, then minus 6x, then 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Okay children. Now coming to second question. G circle f of a plus 1 by 4. G circle f of a plus 1 by 4. Okay. So I can write as g of f of a plus 1 by 4. I mean g of which is in the form of f of x, as f of x value is 3 into a plus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1, right? Now this I can write as g of 3 into a plus 1 by 4 minus 4, right? Actually f of x, right? Actually f of x is 4x minus 1. F of x is 4x minus 1. So 4 into a plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay? In this case it will, now 4 get cancel, g of a plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now it came into the form of g of x. What is g of x? X square plus 2. In the place of x, we have to substitute a, that is a square plus 2. Okay children. So in this type of questions, they are asking in public examinations board paper. Okay. And we have one more method that we will discuss now. Now, if the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 when x is greater than 1 and f of x is equal to 2 when x is lies between minus 1 and 1, when f of x is equal to x minus 1 when x is lies between minus 3 and minus 1. Here we have three conditions. According to the condition, we need to go with the given questions. They are asking to find the values of f of 3. So f of 3. I mean which is in the form of f of x. So if you want to find f of 3, you need to take what is the function. I mean function should be x plus 2, or function should be 2, or else function should be x minus 1. It depends upon the condition. This condition is very very important. Here what is the condition? Condition is x should be greater than 1. So here x is nothing but 3. Is it 3 is greater than 1? Children, try to understand. When f of x is equal to x plus 2, when you have to take f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x is greater than 1. As x value is 3, 3 is greater than 1. Yes, of course 3 is greater than 1. Then the function f of x is here. You have to take it as x plus 2. So in place of x, now you have to substitute 3. I mean 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. Okay children. Now coming to second question, f of 0 as x value 0. So you need to go with which condition? Either you have to go with x plus 2. Suppose if you take x is equal to 0. Is it 0 is greater than 1? No. Then you should not take this condition. Now second condition, x should be lies between minus 1 and 1. X should be lies between minus 1 and plus 1. In between minus 1 and plus 1, we have 0 of course. So we have to go with the condition number 2. So f of 0, it is constant which is equal to 2. Now coming to f of minus 1.5, is it minus 1.5 is there? No, they said f is function defined by f of minus 1.5. So minus 1.5, it is lies between minus 1.5 which is lies between minus 3 and minus 1. Yes or no? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on. So the question number 3 is f of minus 1.5. As 1.5 lies between minus 1 and 3, then the given function f of x is what? We have to consider f of x as x minus 1. As x value is minus 1.5 minus 1. Minus 1.5 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2.5. Now fourth question is f of 2 plus f of minus 2. F of 2 plus f of minus 2. F of 2. F of 2 means we have to go with the condition. Let us find first f of 2. I mean 2 is greater than 1. Then the condition is x plus 2. I mean 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now let us find f of minus 2. As minus 2 which lies between minus 3 and minus 1, then you need to go with the function f of x as x minus 1. I mean minus 2 minus 1 which is equal to minus 3. In between we have addition. I mean 4 plus minus 3. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now f of minus 5. Question number 5 is f of minus 5. Here the condition is x should be greater than 1. X should be lies between minus 1 and 1. X should be lies between minus 3 and minus 1. There is no condition that f of minus 5. So what you have to do? F of minus 5 is not defined. Okay children, in this manner they are asking either 4 mark question or 8 mark question. Okay, so these are the type of questions that are going to be asked in your IPA board exams. I hope you understood today's session. Thank you. Kindly share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you.